Hi guys, it's your scholarship coach T.A. Hyman and author of the most recent book, How to Use Those Darn Chopsticks, here to give you some great Christmas gift ideas. Guys, you know I lived in Japan and so I had to experience Japanese culture. And I speak about the use of the chopsticks in the book, remember? And how difficult it was. But there's some interesting facts about the chopsticks culture in Japan, including the use, they have an actual chopsticks holder that they call hashioki. And then of course this is hashioki. So come with me, let me show you the packages that we have for this Christmas. I showed you package 1 and 2 before in the other video. Now this is going to be the combo great package. So come with me, let me show you what kind of gifts you can give to your family members, friends and colleagues. Come on. Okay. Wow, Emancipation in Christmas. All right, so guys, what about if you decided to put the How Do You Use Those Darn Chopsticks book into your box, a box package? Lovely. Here, so we have our box and we have our tissue paper right here. So of course, we're going to put the chopsticks in the package for you. And how can we not forget the handmade darn chopsticks bracelet that also goes into your package. And we have to put the hashioki in there. So we're gonna put your hashioki, a nice memorabilia there in the package for you. So you wrap it, you use your tissue paper. Come on guys, let's nice up the thing, man. Yes, put the package and a nice box, of course with a bow. Yep, guys. And we have the different colors in boxes, you know. So this, yes, that's your darn chopsticks Christmas combo. And of course, I can't forget your branded bag, guys. So you would put it in your branded bag. Here. Ooh, I'm excited. And this is going for US $45, 6,800 Jamaican. Christmas will be a very special Christmas for you. Lord, I forgot to get a singing career. So guys, come on, DM us, email us to get your package. It's $45 US, Jamaican 6,008. Click those links below to order for this Christmas.